Hey there, PlayStation fans! Want to use the PlayStation app on your PC? There's no direct way, but don't worry. I'll show you how to do it using an Android emulator. In under 2 minutes, you'll be good to go. First, let's get an Android emulator. I recommend BlueStacks. It's fast and reliable. Open your web browser, then type in BlueStacks and go to the official site. Once you're on the website, click this blue download button right here. This will download the installer file. Once it's done, open the file to begin installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks. This will take a couple of minutes. Once it's installed, launch BlueStacks. When you open BlueStacks for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on an Android device. Once you're signed in, open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. In the search bar, type PlayStation app and hit Install. Once it's installed, open the PlayStation app, log in with your PlayStation account, and you're all set. Now you can use the PlayStation app directly from your PC. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips.